Hello, my name is Siti Balkis binti Ahmad Sanusi. My metric number is 291357. So I'm presenting this company overview. So Pardini Holdings Berhad, established in 1971, so it's a major Malaysian fashion retailer with brands like Pardini, Vinci, Seed and PDI. So it sells a wide range of clothing, shoes and accessories for men and women and children, appealing to different age groups including teenagers, young adults and families. The company listed on Bursa Malaysia's main board since 2004 and runs 330 stores and outlets in Malaysia and other countries. So its various subsidiaries like Vinci Ladies Specialties Centre Sdn Bhd and Pardini Corporation Sdn Bhd help expand its product range and market presence. So Pardini use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for marketing and connecting with customers. Known for its strong brand reputation, reasonable prices and wide distribution network, and stylish designs, Pardini aims to be a top global fashion company. So it focuses on quality, pricing, and customer engagement to grow and innovate while staying true to its core values.
Hi, my name is Zhong Jiseng and my metric number is 286266. Now I will talk the process and the context of the Pardini operation. Pardini supply chain start with the sourcing and the procurement, which collect raw material and the component needed to make the clothing and the accessory. For example, Pardini buy the high-grade cotton from the supplier in the India for superior fabric quality and the synthetic fiber from the reputable Chinese producer for a diverse product line. Pardini also implement a dual sourcing strategy by collaborating directly with the supplier in the Southeast Asia and neighboring countries. Once the raw material has been received, Pardini conduct the manufacturing at in-house facility in Hai Kong Geometric Industry Park, Shah Alam, and a factory in the Sungai Buloh, Selangor. In manufacturing process, there will cutting, stitching, printing, and other garment manufacturing processes. The next part is the logistic and distribution operation. This part is ensure the smooth movement of finished item from manufacturing facility to the distribution center of retail location. Pardini normally use a logistic partner, including Skynet, for the transportation. The last part is the inventory management. Pardini implement an inventory management system to track store level and the sales pattern throughout its retail location. To make sure a good inventory management, Pardini invested 1 million in warehouse automation using the automated guided vehicle, which is AGV, to replace the manual processes. Now I will talk about the Pardini supply chain strategy. The first strategy is implement a strong supplier relationship strategy that focus on the direct involvement with the supplier in the Southeast Asia and the neighboring country. This is avoiding the intermediary to improve the efficiency and the cost effectiveness. For example, sourcing material from the both traditional hub like China, Bangladesh, and also emerging market like Vietnam and also Indonesia. The next strategy is implement the efficient inventory management. Pardini invested 1 million on the warehouse automation using automated guided vehicle, which is AGV, to pick the import and output goods, replacing the manual processes to improve the warehouse productivity by reducing the woman error and maintaining uniform operation. Besides that, the next third strategy is employ the multiple distribution channel, including physical retail store, internet platform, and possibly a third-party retailer to maximize the market reach and the convenience for the client. For example, direct sales through the Pardini online shopping website and also partnership with the prominent department store like the Parkson and Aeon. In addition, the last strategy is install the first-rate quality control method throughout its supply chain to make sure that its product fulfill strict requirements and adhere to legal regulation. One indication of the Pardini commitment to ongoing quality and improvement is the company observance of ISO 9001 standard. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Noor Alia Izzati binti Muhammad Riza. My matric number is 291583. Padini Holdings Berhad is a prominent Malaysian investment holding company, primarily engaged in a retailing and garments. This is the company's current process structure, focusing on information, inventory, transportation, and location. Padini Holdings Berhad places a significant emphasis on understanding consumer needs and delivering value swiftly. These elements are critical success factors ingrained into all areas of the company's marketing, merchandising, and also supply chain operations. This approach ensures that the company remains responsive to market demands and maintains a competitive edge. Real-time data collection and analysis facilitate precise inventory management, accurate demand forecasting, and effective customer engagement. The company has managed to mitigate some of the adverse effects of supply chain and logistic issues which have been prevalent post-COVID-19 through a sustained efforts of dedicated staff and long-term relationship with customers, suppliers, and also other stakeholders. This strategy helps Padini to maintain a steady inventory flow and reduces the risk of stock outs or overstocking. Padini transportation strategy involves leveraging its domestic production capabilities to serve both local and foreign markets. Exporting is a key component of this strategy as it is require minimal resource allocation and involve low risk. However, exporting can be more expensive on a per unit basis due to additional costs such as fees, commissions, export duties, taxes, and transportation. Despite these challenges, exporting allows Padini to increase sales and reduce inventory by utilizing domestic production or for foreign markets. This strategy is complemented by a mix of centralization distribution centers and third-party logistic providers, ensuring efficient distribution and timely delivery.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Anin Zawani Piti Hatta and my matrix number is 291554. So for today, I'll be explaining regarding the risk and cost for Padini. So when evaluating the risk and cost associated with particular practice, it is important to consider various factors. These factors can help provide a thorough understanding of the potential implications and consequences. Padini, like any other fast fashion retail company, faces several risks in its supply chain management. These risks can have significant impact on their operation and overall business. Here are the key points to consider. The first one is supply chain disruption. Supply chain disruption, such as natural disaster, political instability, and also pandemic, can cause delays in shipment and disrupt operation. This disruption can lead to challenges in meeting customers' demand and can have financial implications for the company. The second risk is logistic and transportation risk. This risk includes the delays in shipment and also fluctuating costs such as fuel prices. This risk can impact the overall supply chain expenses and the timely delivery of products to customer. Padini needs to closely monitor and manage these risks to ensure smooth operation. The third risk is the environmental and sustainability risk. Environmental and sustainability risks are increasingly important in the fashion industry. Consumer demands for sustainable and ethical source products requires adjustment in the supply chain. Potentially increased costs. Climate change can also pose a long-term risk by impacting raw materials availability and also supply chain routes. Padini can mitigate this risk by adopting sustainable practices and diversifying their suppliers. By recognizing and addressing this risk, Padini can strengthen its supply chain resilience and maintain a smooth operation. Alright, so we'll be moving on to the cost analysis of Padini. A cost analysis of Padini involves examining various aspects of its operation to understand where expenses are incurred and how they impact overall profitability. Here are the key components to consider in the cost analysis. The first one is the production cost. Production costs encompass expenses related to sourcing raw materials, manufacturing processes, and also the quality control. These costs include labor, raw materials, consumable manufacturing supplies, and also general overhead costs. The second cost is the logistic and supply chain costs. Logistic and supply chain costs involves transportation, warehousing, and inventory management. These costs are incurred in managing the movement of products from the supplier to store or to the customers. The third and the last one is the research development cost, which is R&D cost. R&D costs involve product development and also trend analysis. These costs are incurred in researching and developing new products and staying updated and related with the market trends.
Hi everyone, my name is Lin Sajun and my matrix number is 288. So now I'm going to present the key issue in designing and implementing the supply chain kits. The first one is inventory control and demand forecasting. Instability can lead to shortages, missed sales, and excess inventory. To improve accuracy, data sources like past sales, industry trends, and viral marketing effects can be examined. Next, the key issue is efficient logistics and distribution. High transportation costs, including GST and border paperwork, can impact the revenues. Effective road planning and road optimization are essential. Effective logistics and distribution can save money and time while preventing shipment damage. The third key issue is technology. It plays a crucial role in improving supply chain efficiency, reducing costs, and enhancing customer satisfaction. Loading technology, particularly AI, can enhance the shopping experience by providing live product displays, style guides, and personalized suggestions, allowing the customer to shop from their homes. Now I'm going to present the process restructuring and improvement. The first one is improved demand forecasting and control of stock. Pandemic faces poorer expenditure in consumer products and services, focusing on existing stores. They need to use technology tools like real-time inventory monitoring, RFID, and LOT. This will reduce surplus and shortage risk, improve visibility, and extract more customer. The second one is improved transportation and distribution. The faster transportation enhances responsiveness and efficiency, but also affects inventory and facilities. The speed of distribution influences buyer decisions, with suppliers who quickly adapt to trends, attracting customers and reducing sales of competitors. The third one is combining modern technology. For example, supply chain software, EDI, ERP, and robots can reduce costs, increase profit, and improve supply chain flow. This reduces labor, lead time, and energy, resulting in smoother supply chain operations.
Salam Sejahtera. My name is Lee Wei Jian, number metric 285413, and I'm gonna present in detail about the restructuring process of Patini. For the first suggested capability that need to build by Patini, which is the demand forecasting and stock control, we can use advanced analytics like big data and machine learning. These tools analyze sales history, market trends, and social media impact for precise predictions. We can implement Refit and IoT for secure and accurate inventory management, ensuring real-time tracking and preventing stock issues. Lastly, the collaborative planning, forecasting, and replenishment CPFR programs synchronize supply chains efforts and improving efficiency and responsiveness to market demands. This strategy optimizes forecasting accuracy, inventory visibility, and overall supply chain coordination. For the second capability, which is the transportation and distribution efficiency, we can improve distribution efficiency through route optimization using advanced logistic software, which consolidates shipments and reduce costs. Furthermore, we can diversify transportation modes based on factors like cost, speed, and reliability to enhance delivery effectiveness. Lastly, we can invest in sustainable practice such as renewable energy and fuel-efficient vehicles to lower operating costs and environmental impact. This strategy accelerates product delivery, cut transportation expenses, and bolster the company's sustainability efforts, ensuring competitiveness in the marketplace. Lastly, the last capability is modern technology integration. We can integrate SCM, EDI, and ERP system for seamless data exchange and enhanced decision making. Furthermore, we can adopt automation technologies like robotics, pick by voice, Refit, and IoT to streamline warehouse operations, reduce labor costs, and improve inventory management. The benefits of using these strategies include increased profitability through cost savings, faster order fulfillment, and improved supply chain efficiency, positioning the company as a leader in the modern logistic practice. However, there is some potential resistance for this suggested change. For example, technological resistance. Staff members may be hesitant to accept new technology because of the learning curve and concern about those obsolescence, and also budgetary restrictions. There might be high upfront expenses associated with integrating automation, EDI, ERP, and SCM systems, and also cultural resistance. Long-term employees may be object to change in the corporate culture that emphasize technology-centric processes, and also the supplier resistance, because out of the concern for losing their competitive edge, the suppliers might be reluctant to work closely together and share data. That's all for me. Thank you.